today I am going to be showcasing these three products here. So starting with this one is the Tineco iFLOOR 1S5. And then this one here in the middle is the Shark Mess Master. And then the last one down here is the Baseboards Crosswave Omniforce. So these three here, they're all floor cleaners. So I'll start with talking about this one here, the Tineco iFLOOR 1S5. It has a on button right here.
Auto mode.
So it is a wireless product, so you can just turn it on through here, and it's going to have a screen for you up top, letting you know the charge and the different modes you may want to use.
Power off.
As well as having the dirty container right here in the front. Just pull it right out. In the back, it's going to have your clean water, as well as your solution is going to be in here too. And so for this one, it's pretty easy to get into the bristles down in here. It's just this little pull tab, pops right out. And then I'll just undock it for a second. And then it just slides right out, and just like that, you can go and clean this whenever you need to, and then slide it back into place. And for these short bristles like this is going to be for hardwood only, as well as the lip that goes over top of this. It's short, so it's not going to be able to be used as a suction for for carpeted floors. It's only for hardwood floors. And just pop it in like that, and just put it back on the dock. And for this one here in the middle, the Shark Mess Master, is also going to have its on button being right here on the top, and has its dirty container here with a replaceable filter up top. So it's going to filter out any gunk that's going to go through it. And then it's going to have the charge being right here. So it doesn't really quite have a screen, but it's going to let you know whatever information you need to know right here. It's going to light up and tell you how much charge it has. And then it's going to have the clean water right here up top in the front. Just a little trigger button to release it. And then down here, it's going to have another little trigger button to pop this off. And this one's longer, so it's going to be able to suction up whatever you may need it to suction up on a carpeted floor. And then it's just going to have another little trigger here. I'll just undock it. All right, and now if I pull this out of the docking station here, it's a little pop tab, and it's just going to pop this part right off, and it's a little bit longer, so you can use this for carpeted floors as well as hardwood floors. It'll be able to suction up both, and you can just pop it right back in like that. It's super, super easy. As well as docking it, you just put it into place, and it's docked, just done like that. And then now for the Baseboards Crosswave Omniforce, this one here. It's going to have all of its buttons down here in the front, with a little battery display right here to let you know how charged it is, and then the different modes and whatever else you may need it to do. And it's going to have its dirty water here in the front with a replaceable filter, and you can just pop it back in, super easy. And it's going to have its water tank here on the back, and it's going to let you know the fill line to the solution right here, so you know how much to put in. And then down here, it's going to be a pull tab to just pop this out. Little guard, this is going to be like the suction guard, so you can just easily pop that out. And then the brush right here is very easily just slides out, and you can just as easily put it right back in. There we go. And then you can just pop this right back on top. And that's going to be a showcase of these 3 products right here.